Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use Walmart eGift card at self-checkout in 2025. With Walmart's updated systems, using an eGift card is faster and more seamless than ever before. Whether you're a tech newbie or a pro, this guide will have you checking out like a boss in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Walmart eGift card ready. In 2025, these cards are digital first, so pull it up on your smartphone via the Walmart app or the email you received it in. Look for the unique code or QR code, it's your golden ticket. Now, head over to the self-checkout kiosks at your local Walmart. Scan your items as usual. The machines are super intuitive now, with voice guidance to help you along. Once you've added everything to your virtual card on the screen, it's time to pay. Hit the Payment option on the touchscreen. You'll see a new eGift card button. Tap that. If you have a QR code, the scanner will read it instantly. Otherwise, enter the code manually using the keypad. The system will verify it in seconds, deducting the exact amount from your eGift card balance. Pro tip: if your eGift card doesn't cover the full total, you can easily add another payment method, like a credit card, right there on the spot. The interface is designed for speed, so no fumbling around. Once payment is confirmed, bag your items, and you're good to go. That's it, quick, hassle-free shopping. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!